Good morning, my dear students. Class 3rd, subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. So students, today we are going to learn a new poem. Poem number 28, Baby's Dress. So students, now everyone just open your English Bal Bharati textbook. In that, page number 62. Poem number 28, Baby's Dress. So students, before I start the explanation, first I am going to recite the whole poem for you. And then afterward, I will explain you in a stanza wise. So here students, poem number 28, Baby's Dress. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mummy dress her? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. The blue bell is a true bell and will find the blue to dress her. The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. Now students, I had completed the page number 62. Now turn the page number 63. The honeysuckle with birds for a buckle will make a girdle to dress her. The heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars, and they will dress her. Written by W.B. Yeats. Now students, let's learn some information about the poet. So students, now we are going to learn some information regarding the poet who has written this poem. So here the poet name W.B. Yeats. William Brighty Yeats was a British writer and one of the major authors of nursery rhymes of the Victorian era. So students, can you see the pic? Yes, this is the poet who has written this poem. So now students, let's start with the poem explanation part. Students, everyone concentrate and open your textbook also, the same page. Okay, so let's start. So students, now let's start with the explanation part. As I told you, the topic name is Baby's Dress. Okay, so here the very first lines. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mummy dress her? So here the poet is saying that God bless her baby. So students, as you know, the babies are very small, right? The babies are very small. They are so cute. So here the mother is saying, God bless her. Now here the small child, the small baby. Students, can you see the pic? Yes. So here the mother is saying that God bless her, right? And how shall mummy is going to dress her? So here now mother is going to decide which color should the baby dress will be. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर एक मदर है और उसके हाथ में एक छोटी सी बेबी है, राइट? तो यहाँ पर मदर क्या कह रही है? बेबी बेबी ब्लेस हर, मीन्स गॉड मेरी बेबी को ब्लेस करो, राइट? आफ्टर दैट व्हाट द मदर इज सेइंग दैट हाउ शैल मम्मी ड्रेस हर. उसके बाद क्या कह रही है मदर कि मैं मेरी छोटी सी ये बेबी जो है उसको मैं कैसे कपड़े पहनाऊंगी, मीन्स कौन से कलर्स के कपड़े पहनाऊंगी, राइट? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. So here the next. The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. So students, can you see one baby is there, right? And one side there is a cloud. Cloud means बादल. And in the other side, if you see, there is a wool. जैसे आप देखते हो ऊन होता है ना, जिसे हम स्वेटर्स बनाते हैं, राइट? तो ऊन है. तो यहाँ पर ये लाइन क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. So here the poet says that in summer it is too hot, right? So we use soft wool to dress her. So students, everyone understood? Now move to the next. The blue bell is a true bell and will find the blue to dress her. So here the blue bell is a flower. The poet says blue flower is look like a bell. Students, yes, can you see in this pic? Yes, the blue flower is look like a bell. So same way the poet says that the blue flower is look like a bell. Means the flower shape is like a bell. So let us find blue color dress for our little baby. So students, जैसे कि इस सेंटेंस में ये कहा गया है कि जो ये फ्लावर है वो ब्लू कलर का है और उसका जो शेप है मीन्स आकार. शेप मीन्स आकार. जो उसका आकार है वो एक बेल के जैसा है. बेल मीन्स घंटी. स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू नो ना? यस. तो उसका जो आकार है वो बेल के जैसा है और राइट वो एक बेल ही दिख रहा है. इज़ अ ट्रू बेल मीन्स हाँ वो बेल की जैसे ही दिख रहा है. तो हम क्यों ना हमारी बेबी के लिए एक ब्लू कलर का ड्रेस ढूंढते हैं. So students, everyone understood till here? Okay, now move to the next. So the next stanza is, the cherry tree is a married tree and will find the pink to dress her. Students, can you see the cherry tree in this pic? Yes? So here the poet says cherry tree is a married tree. Means, can you see pink color? Yes? So here the cherry tree is of pink color. So the poet says we should find pink color dress for our baby. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हो चेरी ट्री कौन से कलर का है? पिंक कलर का. तो यहाँ कहा गया है द चेरी ट्री इज़ अ मैरिड ट्री और जो चेरी ट्री है वो पिंक कलर का है. तो हम हमारी बेबी के लिए कौन से कलर का ड्रेस ढूंढना चाहिए? पिंक कलर का. स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर? ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. So here in this stanza the poet says that the lily flower is white in color. Right students, can you see the pic? Yes, the lily flower is white in color. When the sunlight falls on the flower becomes more bright in color. So here the poet says, let us find the beautiful white dress for the baby. So students, everyone understood? Okay. Now the next. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. So students, the leaves on the tree are green in color. Students, all of you know that the leaves color is green, right? So now here the poet says that the leaves are sweet and good. So here some leafy vegetables are sweet and good to eat, right? We can get the proteins from the leafy vegetable. So here it is written are sweet and good. So let us find the green color for the baby, right? Now, the honey suckle with birds for a buckle will make a griddle to dress her. So students, now this stanza says us that. So here students, honeysuckle is a plant with tubular plants. Buckle means a piece of metal or plastic at the end of the belt. A belt worn about the waist means around the waist, right? So here the poet says, let us find a frock with flowers design and belt to tie around the waist for the baby. So students, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर हनी शक्ल मीन्स एक प्लांट है जो एक क्लिप की जैसे दिख रहा है, राइट? तो हम बेबी के लिए एक बेल्ट लेंगे और वो बेल्ट उसके हम वेस्ट में पिनाएंगे, मीन्स कमर में पिनाएंगे, और उसके ऊपर वो बेल्ट को हम लोग एक बकल रख देंगे. वो बेल्ट के ऊपर हम लोग क्या रखेंगे? बकल, जिससे वो फ्रॉक का लुक और अच्छा आए, राइट? जिससे वो फ्रॉक और ब्यूटीफुल दिखे. सो हियर द पोएट सेज दैट लेट अस फाइंड अ फ्रॉक with flower design and belt to tie around the waist for the baby. The heaven hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. So here the poet says, in the sky there are stars in silver and golden color, right students? Students, you may have seen in the sky, right? So here, let us find a dress which has silver and golden stars in the dress for the baby. So students, I hope everyone understood the whole poem, right? So students, once again we will recite the poem. It means that students, I am going to read the whole poem. And you all of you just repeat after me. So here the poem number 28, Baby's Dress. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall Mama dress her? How shall Mommy dress her? Mama means Mommy. So students, again repeat after me. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall Mommy dress her? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. The blue bell is a true bell and will find the blue to dress her. The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. So students, now turn the page number 63. The honeysuckle with birds for a buckle will make a girdle to dress her. The heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. Written by W.B. Rance. So students, I hope everyone understood the whole poem. So students, after watching this video, I am going to send you the notes, right? Students, you have to write this whole poem one time in your English notebook. Students, again I am saying, after watching this video, I am going to send you the notes of this lesson so that you can complete your combined book, right? So students, whatever notes I am going to send you, you have to complete in your combined book. Understood students? Now let's start with the next chapter. Okay? Now students, chapter number 29, Young Scientist, in that part 2. Students,
part 1 we had already completed, right? Now this is the second part of young scientist. Means now we are going to do any experiment, right? So here first of all I am going to read the whole lesson of page number 64, then afterward I will explain. Now here we have seen a few interesting things that seems like a magic trick. If you understand how the tricks works, you can use the science in it to make many such interesting things. Let us look at one such example. So here the topic is a mouse in the house. Now what are the things we needed to make this activity? Let's see. What you need: cardboard sheet, pencils, crayon, scissor, ruler, etc. A pouch, a tool for making holes in paper. So here the next, what you do means how can we make this activity? Let's see. Number 1 point, cut out a rectangle from the cardboard sheet. It should be about 7 centimeter into 10 centimeter in size. So students, the cardboard we have to cut in a rectangle shape. Second point, make holes on each of its longer sides as shown. See that the holes are exactly opposite each other. Students, can you see in this pic the holes, 2 holes are there, right? The second part. So we have to put us 2 holes, right, in the cardboard. Now the third point, now draw a picture of a mouse on one side of the cardboard rectangle. Draw the picture neatly near the middle of the rectangle as shown. Students, so in one side we have to draw a mouse, right? In the middle of the rectangle, right students? We should draw a mouse in the middle and we should draw the mouse very neatly, clearly, right? Now the fourth point, turn over the cardboard rectangle. The mouse side should be down and the blank side should be up. So here one side we have to draw a mouse and in the opposite side, means back side, we have to draw a house, right? Now the fifth point, now draw a house near the middle of the blank side. The picture of the house should be larger than the picture of the mouse. So students, while drawing a house, the house size should be bigger than the mouse, right students? Now the sixth point, color the picture of the mouse if you like. So if you like, then only color the picture of the mouse, not house. If you like, you can color the picture of the mouse. Seventh point, now take 2 pieces of string, each about 19 centimeter long. So we have to take a thread, धागा 19 centimeter long. कितने centimeter? 19 centimeter long. 8 point, thread a string through each hole. Both the side we have to put a thread. In one side 19 centimeter, in the other side 19 centimeter, where we have put the hole, right? Then thus you have the cardboard rectangle strung through the 2 holes. हमें वो 2 साइड के होल्स में उस थ्रेड को डालना है. So students, we had completed the page number 64. Now move to the page number 65. I hope everyone understood till here, right students? Now move to the next page. So can you see the next page students? Page number 65. The 9th point, hold the string lobes between the thumbs and forefinger, one lobe in the each hand. Students, can you see? So here The page number 65, 9th point. Hold the string lobes between the thumbs and 4 fingers, one lobe in each hand. 10th point. Twist the thread several times, then pull the lobes out a little. The cardboard will start twirling. What picture do you see on the cardboard? Right. You will see that the mouse has entered the house. How did this happen? When did the mouse travel? Now stop twirling the cardboard. You will find that the mouse has gone back to his place on the other side of the sheet. Now students, explanation part. When you see something, your eyes remember the picture for a very tiny bit of time. If you show it a second picture within that a tiny bit of time, it sees both the pictures at the same time. The mouse does not really move at all. You can also paste a stick between two discs or squares of paper and quickly twirl the stick. If there are two different pictures on the two visible sides, you will see them as one picture. Try this simple experiment and surprise your friends. There are some ideas for your experiment. You may use your own idea to make this amazing. So students, the mouse does not really move at all in this experiment. You can also paste a stick between two discs or squares of paper and quickly twirl the stick. If there are two different pictures on the two visible sides, you will see them as one picture. Try this simple experiment and surprise your friend. Right students, you can do this experiment at home. There are some ideas for your experiment. You may use your own ideas to make this amazing toy. So there is no need of drawing the same picture. You can draw by your own also. This lesson is activity based, hence no exercise given in the textbook. We see a few interesting magic tricks. You can use the science it to make such interesting things. Please do the experiment described on the page number 64 and 65. You see the mouse has entered the house. The science behind it is your eye remembers the picture for a bit of time. If you show a second picture within that tiny bit of time, it sees both the pictures at the same time. So students, this experiment you can do at home, right? So students, I hope everyone understood the lesson. Lesson number 29, Young Scientist. Right students? Students, after watching this video, I am going to send you the notes of this lesson also. So students, if you have any doubt regarding the lesson, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.